There we go. Quickly mark for A, C, and E. Yes, quick, quick, quick. What? No. Hands up before copying or marking. Can I skip? Okay. Still busy. It was breakfast time. Maybe it's going to come off the break. Not now. Okay. Right. Hands up, we're still copying here? Okay. Have you guys got any questions about 4A, C, or E? Can I skip? Okay, there's 5A and C. Have a look at 5A. I first had to simplify inside that root before I can actually get square root of the 9A squared. Okay, then at C, I'm just quickly going to talk through C. You will see that this mixed number I first changed to an improper fraction. Right? Okay, then I could get square root of 9 would be 3, square root of 4 would be 2. Square root of x to the power of 8, remember we take inside divided by that outside, and that's how I got the 4. You guys fine with that? Okay, then cube root of x to the power of 12 would be x to the power of 4. Cube root of 8 would be 2. Now, you will see that in front of this x to the power of 4 is actually a 1. So that x to the power of 4 over 2 that's actually the same as a half x to the power of 4. So do you guys all get how I got that from? Or where I got that from? Okay, now you will see that they both have x to the power of 4, so they are like terms. So I could go and add. And 3 over 2 x to the power of 4 plus a half x to the power of 4 would give me 4 over 2 x to the power of 4, which is just 2 x to the power of 4. Any questions there? Can I skip? Hands up, we're still copying? Nima. Okay, there's E. Oh, hell, this lelik. Isabel? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nadat jy gesluk het.
No, ma'am.
Because you know you're wrong. Moenie eet hè, né?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, square root of 27, I wasn't able to get that. So I first simplified. The 27 over 3 became 9. And then x to the power 4. The square root of 9x to the power 4 gave me 3x to the power 2. Yeah. Come again, 10.
Isn't it just that?
7. 7x, yeah. Okay. Right, let's see. Cube root of x to the power 6 would be x to the power 2. Cube root of 27 would be the 3. Then, over here, I couldn't get square root of x to the power 5. So over there, I first had to do something. So I'm going to cancel out this x with one of those x's at the top. So it will become x to the power of 4. Do you guys understand that? Right. Now, cube root of x to the power 4 will give me x to the power of 2. And now you'll see that they all have x to the power of 2. So they are like terms. So 3 plus a third would give me 3 and a third. Minus that 1 will give me 2 and a third x to the power of 2. Or you maybe had 7 over 3 x to the power of 2. Or 7x squared over 3. Same thing, right? Any questions there? Okay, right. Hands up, we're still copying. Now, we are starting with factorizing. Now, there's 3 different methods that we use to factorize. The first method, which we're going to do today, is common factor. The second one, which we'll do later on, is difference in 2 squares. And then the third one is trinomials. Okay. Now, what does the word common mean? Common means if we have something in common, we like the same thing. Or there's something that's the same. We maybe have the same hair, the same eyes, the same clothes. I don't know. But something is the same. Okay? Now, common factor means they must have the same factor. And it must be for every term. So you can maybe write that there. It must be the same for every term. Right. So I'm going to show you guys a slideshow now. And the slideshow is what you were handed out now. Okay, so all the slides is printed on that page or pages that I gave you guys. If you haven't got, just come and get. So you don't have to add anything onto that except if you want to make a note for yourself that you must forget something, or 2 per person. Yeah. Once I start writing on the board with a Koki, then you know that you must maybe add. All right. So unfortunately, the recording is now going to stop there.